Hi guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am starting off a weekend in my life. I've done a couple of work week vlogs lately, so I wanted to switch it up, do something a little more fun. It's currently Friday morning and I don't have work today because this week we started our 4-day work week schedule, so I have Fridays off for the rest of the year. It's amazing. I did work slightly longer hours on my days this week. Like I'm at like 34 hours for the week, but that's completely worth it to have a whole extra day off. So 3-day weekend. I'm in a great mood this morning. I got to sleep in a little bit. I slept in until like 9. I tanned last night, so that always makes me feel good. Right now, I'm just gonna make some coffee, have some breakfast, and then I have some stuff I wanna get done around my apartment this morning. And then I have a hair appointment at 1. I'm just getting my hair trimmed because it is much needed. So that'll be really good to get done. But yeah, I just wanted to start off the vlog, say hello. These are the tanning products I use in case you guys are ever wondering. Now that we're getting into fall, I will be using these a lot more. But I just use Loving Tan Bronzing Mousse in the shade Dark all over my body. And then I spray my face with the Isle of Paradise water in the shade Medium. This is my holy grail tan combo. I have all these packages that I have not gotten around to opening, so let's open them now. First up, we have some goodies from Parade. They sent over 2 pairs of this really nice like mesh underwear, and then this is like a set with this really cute bralette in this like plum burgundy color. All of their stuff is made from sustainable materials, so it's a really good brand. I'm excited to wear this little matching set. It's so cute. Next up is a package from First Aid Beauty. They just sent over another Ultra Repair Cream. You guys know this is my favorite moisturizer. Kitty's very interested, but this is the best, especially for winter when my skin is on the drier side, so we'll definitely be using this. Next package is from YSL Beauty. We have a little makeup blotting lotion, which I don't really know what that means. Is it like a primer maybe? Breathable mattifier that controls shine without drying out the skin. So yeah, you probably put this on before you put on makeup. Then we have a glow balm, which I will definitely be trying. I love anything that makes my face glowy. A dewy mist and a tone corrector. So very cool, excited to try these. Next we have some pieces from Wrangler. They did a little collab with Billabong. These are kind of more summery pieces, but how cute is this bikini? It's like a little crochet moment. That is actually adorable. Then we have this crew neck sweatshirt that is so nice. It just says Wrangler right here. And then we have some denim, some really cute basic denim shorts. And then these are like this cool patchwork situation, so very fun. Last but not least, I have this huge package from Tula. First, we have this little eye balm bundle, which I have both of these. I've never tried the blue one. This is such a great gift idea, like little stocking stuffer. And then this, what is this? A blanket? It's so soft. A little blanket. Then we have this madness. So top drawer. Oh my god, it's literally holiday stuff. I am not ready. Cute little body scrubs with like festive scents. Oh my god, little candles with little matches. That's so cute. And lastly is a little bag with a bunch of products. I needed another cleanser, so that's really good to have. What is going on over here? Kitty? Leave her alone. Leave her alone. She wants to sit in the box. This package is so nice. So many good gift ideas. Thank you to Tula and all the brands that sent me packages. This was a really good PR day. It never goes unappreciated. Hi guys, it is much later in the day, obviously. I look a little bit different. I just did my makeup. Also, I got my hair cut, so have a nice fresh blowout. I don't really ask for anything specific at my haircut. My guy just kind of knows what I like, so I do like a little bit of subtle layers throughout, and then we have like these face frame pieces that are shorter in the front, but that's pretty much it. And then after my haircut, I went to the mall and stopped at Aritzia, as you guys saw, and those clips that I put in were some stuff that I bought. Just got some more like TNA sweats and comfy basics just to wear around the house. But right now, I just did my makeup, put on a nice outfit because I'm heading into the city. It's my friend Hannah's birthday and we are going to dinner for it. We're going to Puglia, which is like an Italian restaurant. So I'm meeting everyone there. We're gonna have a cute little dinner and then go back to her apartment and have some drinks, and that's pretty much it. So should be a cute night. I am just wearing this Princess Polly bodysuit, my A Goldie jeans, and then gonna wear these little booties from Revolve. But yeah, I will vlog at dinner, probably on my phone because I don't feel like taking my whole camera, but that is my plan for the night.
She's very friendly.
I'm like literally gonna tell my mom that you said that because
She loves the camera.
yes. Oh, she gave me a kiss. Oh man, my cat was.
Hi guys, what's up? It's the next day. It is now Saturday. I am actually headed back into the city today for another birthday gathering. It's my friend Danny's birthday. She's like one of my high school friends. So we are just getting together at her boyfriend's apartment in the city and just having like a little day chill birthday thing. So I'm headed there now. It's very casual. I'm just wearing this new sweatshirt that I got from Aritzia. I really just liked this color. And then Princess Polly jeans, Air Forces, that is the fit. So I'm gonna head over to the train now. It's 2:30, and then I think I'm gonna hang out with Madison after and like grab dinner with her. So it should be a really fun day. I will take you guys along, of course. Birthday girl. Guys.
Better.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Danny. Happy birthday. Oh my God,
Nice.
Come on, Chris.
I'm too strong. Too much time in the gym. It's fine. Too much.
Hi guys, it is now Sunday. It's pretty late in the day. I went over to my parents' house this morning and kind of spent the day there. They were watching London yesterday when I was in the city, so I went to pick her up and then also just ran a couple of errands with my mom. We stopped at Madewell and I just picked up 2 pairs of earrings. People always say Madewell's a really good spot to get like affordable gold hoops, so I just got this plain pair and then this kind of like twisty pair. I usually have really sensitive ears and can't really wear anything that isn't real gold, but I'm gonna try these out and see if they'll work. These are sterling silver and then these just say hypoallergenic titanium posts, but they were both around $20 each, so very affordable, but just thought I would try these out. Never have too many gold hoops, you know? Now I'm back home and I'm going to be spending the rest of the evening putting out my fall decorations. It's October 10th and I still haven't put anything fall related out, which is very unlike me. I'm usually like in the full fall spirit by like September 1st. but I don't know why I just like haven't really been in the fall spirit this year. But I figured it's like better late than never. I'm not even gonna be home that much during the month of October because this coming Thursday I am leaving for 10 days to go to Nebraska. That's where I'm from originally, if you didn't know, and that's where like all of my extended family lives. So we usually go back once a year to visit, but because of COVID, haven't been back for like 2.5 years. So we're going for like a pretty long period of time this time. By the time I get back from that trip, it's already gonna be like Halloween. But I figured it's still worth it to put out fall stuff because it can stay up through Thanksgiving anyways. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I picked up all of my fall stuff while I was at my parents' house because I don't have the storage for this, so I always just keep it in the attic at my parents' house. I need to take inventory of what I even have in here. Oh my god, the smell that just came out of this, it's like pumpkin cinnamon candle, like super sweet. I have some pillows in here, some little like ceramic pumpkins, some candles, and then I have more pillows in here. Kitty has already made her move into the box. I just put out this little pumpkin rug that Lennon thinks is like a toy. I know this is from Target from 2 years ago, I think. Pretty much all of my fall decor is either from Target, Home Goods, or Home Sense. All of it is at least a year old, if not longer, so it's probably not available anymore. But if you're looking for cute fall or any like holiday decor, I always just go to Target or Home Goods or Home Sense because it's affordable. It's only gonna be put out for like a couple months of the year, so don't really like spending a ton of money on it. But I know this rug is from Target. I have some faux leaves in here that I usually put on my coffee table. And then I have all of this stuff. I know these little coasters are from Target. They're so cute. So I'm gonna put those on the coffee table. I think this little vase is also from Target. And then I just got these little faux fall things, probably from like Hobby Lobby or maybe Home Sense as well. This I've had for years, which is kind of gross. This candy corn is so old, but it is not meant to be eaten. It's just for decorative purposes. So cute little fall Halloween decor idea is getting some candy corn and just filling up a jar with it. Then I have all my candles. I know these 3 are from Target, and then this is from somewhere, I'm not really sure. Little pumpkin hand towel for the kitchen. And then all of these ceramic pumpkins that I need to find places for. And then I just have all my fall pillows. So I'm gonna put the 2 plaid ones, this pumpkin one, and this leaf one on the couch on both ends. And then I'm gonna put this pumpkin one on my bed. And then I just have this like burnt orangey kind of blanket that's super soft, also from Target. The only little touch that I bought this year is this little pumpkin that I got at Trader Joe's. Shower, I did my skincare for the night. I'm having a very chill self-care Sunday. The vibes in the apartment are fabulous. I have my little candy corn jar up there. All of the fall stuff over here. Here are my little shelves. We have a pumpkin, another pumpkin, some candles. I have this candle going right now and the whole apartment smells like fall. And then the cute little coffee table, all my pillows, and this little corner with my fall foliage and a little candle. Yeah, it's just cozy in here. Love the vibes. I was procrastinating bringing all my fall stuff over here and putting everything out, but now that it's out, I'm so happy. It just feels really cozy in here. Also, side note, I'm loving this 3-day weekend situation. I can definitely get used to this. I feel like I did so much this weekend, and normally like if I had that many social plans in a weekend, like I would feel overwhelmed, but I still was able to like have today to get my life together before Monday. Tomorrow is Monday, but Luckily, I'm going away on Thursday, so I took off of work Thursday, so I just have a 3-day work week this week. I'm having a nice little relaxing Sunday, so I'm about to pour myself a glass of wine, but I wanted to just shout this wine out. It's from Trader Joe's. It comes in a few different flavors. This is the mango one, and it is so good. It's definitely like a sweet, fruitier wine. It kind of tastes more like a cocktail than an actual wine does, but if you're in the mood for that, it really hits the spot. Definitely recommend picking this wine up. I decided to keep the fall vibes going and turn on Halloween Town. I have to watch this at least once every October. Like, it's just a tradition at this point. I am still watching Halloween Town, but before I fall asleep, I just wanted to end off this vlog. If you guys could comment down below what videos you want to see from me, that would be super helpful. Videos besides vlogs, because obviously I'm always doing vlogs, so if there's any other like sit down videos or just any videos that you guys want to see specifically, comment them down below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos from me. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a new video very soon. Bye.